Forgot the passcode to your Android device and want to be able to use it again? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to restore your Android smartphone if you forgot your passcode. Now let's get started. Please note that without knowing your device's passcode, there's no way to get back into your device. This tutorial will walk you through the process of factory resetting it so that you can use your device again. Any data that was not backed up will be lost. Be sure you've tried every passcode combination you can remember before going through this process. To reset your Android device if you can't remember the passcode, you'll first need to put it into recovery mode. Hold down your device's power button and volume down button until the screen turns black. Once you get the black screen, hold down the power and volume up buttons instead. When your device restarts, use the volume buttons to get to the Wipe Data/Factory Reset option, and press the power button to select it. Select Factory Data Reset to confirm. Your device will then be reset to factory settings. To set up your device, select Reboot System Now. You may be prompted to enter your PIN at this stage. Select Use My Google account instead. As a security measure, you may be required to log into the same Google account that you were previously using on your Android when setting your device back up. When logging in, you may be prompted to verify the login on the same device you're setting up. If this happens, select Try Another Way. You can then verify through another method that works best for you. I'm choosing the SMS option. If you had a data backup saved to cloud storage, you can restore your Android using that backup now. Once your backup is done loading, all the data that was backed up will be restored to your device. When you get to the stage of setting up your new passcode, be sure to write it down somewhere so that if you happen to forget it again, you'll be able to get back into your phone without having to completely reset it. That's all it takes to restore your Android device if you forgot your passcode. Need to find a missing Android device? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.